You can check now, 90% bantu baqashela base9 lelo location. For driver, lama truck la, most of them bala e9. Kunema CV, I'm just starting with for driver. Kunema CV lana, I think ma CV adropa everything. Ema interviews la kaya aranwa every Tuesday and Thursday. So nivumelekile and you're welcome. Labo labakriya ukuthi umsebenzi bafuna umsebenzi, we are more than welcome ukuthi nide share ama-CVN. In terms of foreigners that are illegally here. First things first, wonke umuntu according to immigration, umuntu uvumelekile ukuthi apply umsebenzi as long as anemaphepha ekusebenza kuphi eMzansi. Everyone is allowed to do e-application. Everyone has an equal opportunity to apply for a job as long as you are qualified and have the prerequisite skills to work. So
and siyazi ukuthi uyiqambela amanga ngithi kodwa angithi emano yabona bengithule ngamasipho ukuthi akhulume on behalf of i-company ngithi areze nayo indlela aprotecta ngayo i-company ngithi usebenzelayo mina vele kumele i-protect umsebenzi wakho ukuprotect i-company. So siswami siyabonga ukuthi ube nesibindi sokuze emphakathini uqamba amanga, but we'll keep you, don't worry. Yabona lento zishilo you'll be accountable for those lezinto zishilo yokuthini ama-foreign maningi le ukuthi uqasha abantu base9. Let me tell you something, uqasha abantu abasuka ekudeni thembisa kuphi bese bona bazoqasha e9. That means wena maswe no amasi angithi ngisakhuluma nawe ukunikile chance. That means umuntu mase eqasha e9 akusho umuntu wase9 just because umsebenzi useduze kwala asebenzela khona, not ukuthi ama-residents ase9 lenyayana naba abantu abasebenzi baningi and ama-foreigner maningi laphakathi and lositshelayo nokuthi banama-qualification ini bangene kanjani nama-1 akunaforeigner.
Nguthato, one of our leaders community. Njengoba sihlangene njena sizoraise ama concerns ethu as umphakathi regarding ama company indlela operator ngayo emphakathini yethu esiyakhela. Sinama issues amaningi emphakathini. Number 1, sinama foreigner amaningi asebenza kuma company ethu asurrounding. Number 2, lawo ma foreign majority yawo awanawo ama documentation. Mawenawo ama document enzelwa amakhampani ngokuthi esebaqhashile. Number 2, amaphoyisa mostly asfailile as a community. That's why sesidecide ukuthi sithathe imashi eyokuthi sizenzele thina amakhampani abe aware, because masisenda amaphoyisa ukuthi asenzele umsebenzi ayahluleka. I can make an example. There was an example last year before masiqala nje yonke lento. Amaphoyisa were involved in immigration, home affairs, bonke ama department adila ne labor they were involved. But those arrests, even today, labo bantu ababoshwa, they are still working kuwo lama company la ekuthiwa baboshwa khona. So we believe as umphakathi ukuthi amanto lamaphoyisa nomthetho usifeyilile. So that's why si decide ukuthi sizilwele somphakathi silwisane namakhampani angenzi into right. And most kunamakhampani njenge Transnet esinayo la eJimistini idepo yakhona is failing us for years and years. Bayabaqasha abantu kwi-local mabe baqasha basebenza just a small period of time baba replace ngabanye abantu abama-friends and families abantu. So that's an issue yokuthi into le asifuni lento le. And ama-subcontracts ase-Transnet anama-foreigner amaningi, wonke ama-foreigner asabha into le e-Transnet aswadingi, kumele kuqhashwe ama-South Africans. Akwazi kuba kune-security eliyi-foreign whereas kune-South African ekungaba yi-security. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-issues bese enye into awe-social development, amakhampani awa-comply asurroundele ayasimosha, pollution, noise pollution, yonke i-water, yonke izinto zethu azilungi emphakathini, but sinamakhampani asurroundele awa-comply. The next thing into abayenzayo bazokutshena ukuthini banamakhansela abasebenzisana nawo. Lawo makhansela mayithola izinto emakhampanini ayisebenzisela for ama-political benefits, not umphakathi. Those one of the issues ukuthini amakhampani mayisebenza nomphakathi sicela ukuthi amakhansela nawo mayisebenza izinto mayikhishwa amakhampani ukuthi zima emadolo emphakathini, izinto aziye emphakathini zingayi ngamaphathi ukuthi wena u-under yiphi party wena uya under yiphi party. I think lawo ama-concerns ethu amaningi. And another thing, abantu banama-internships ayenziwa amakhampani nama-learnerships only to find ukuthi kusuka iy'ngane ezala abantu ezisebenza kulawo manto le kulawo makhampani yizo ezibenefitayo, not iy'ngane ezisurrounde amakhampani communities. Abantu ababenefitayo akusibo abantu ekumele bebenefit nayo le sicela i-address ukuthi abantu abazobenefit kube abantu abento le ebe-community nama-bursary scholarships. Amakhampani awazikhiphi akhiphele abantu abasemphakathini because indawo ehlala kuzo they are very disadvantaged in communities. So ama-assistance amakhampani it's the most thing esiyidingayo because we can see ukuthi government ngeke yenze yonke into. That's why sizodinga assist from ama-companies asendaweni yethu. Cabanga ukuthi makungasebenzisana government umphakathi nama-companies singaba nento eyaphambili ezi-community ingadevelopa sibe ne-goal eli-1 eli-clean. Ngiyabonga.